Hi everybody, it's Doug Buenz with the 680 Doug Buenz Group at Compass and 680homes.com. Today's our market minute for January, taking a look back at the market here in December for Pleasanton. So let's take an overview. Typical holiday market, less inventory, less sales activity, a little slower pace to the market, and that's again very typical for this time of year. So it'll be interesting to see as we go into the spring how much inventory we see. That's a key component. So let's take a little deeper dive into some of the stats. Supply was down. There are 29 single-family homes available for sale at the end of December. That's down from 57 at the end of November, so that's not a surprise. It's a very typical pattern where people take their home off the market during the holidays. That compares to 36 a year ago, so it's down from even a year ago. So very constrained supply. Demand was down as well. There are 23 pending sales in the month of December, and that's down from 57. So again, a drop in inventory, drop in sales. That tends to be related as well, because if there's not a home you like, you're not going to buy it. The pending sales a year ago were 26, so about the same level. The absorption rate, how much of the inventory is being absorbed by pending sales, that was up. 79% of the inventory was absorbed in December versus 66 in November. So less inventory, relatively speaking, decent amount of sales activity. So the average days on market for active listings in Pleasanton at the end of December was 82. Now, contrast that with the active days on market for sold properties, which was 29. And that gives you a little bit of a window into the market for much of this year, which is the better homes sell faster. And the homes that are not as desirable, price, condition, location, etc., take a little longer to sell. So buyers are being very picky right now. Average sold days on market for December is 29. That's down from 43 in November. So a little pickup in activity there. The average price per square foot for active listings was $550 a square foot. The average sold price per square foot in December was $538, so a little bit below what the average asking price per square foot was. And the $538 per square foot for sold properties, by the way, is up from November, which was $523, which is interesting. So the median sales price is also up, $1,290,000 for the sales in December versus $1,130,000 in November. And last December at this time it was $1,125,000. So a little spike in the median price, which tells me there was a few more higher end sales sprinkled in. On average, sellers are getting 90% of their asking price for the sales in December, and that's up from 96%. So again, we saw some homes come on the market that were very attractively priced that sold right away at a higher price and closer to the asking price. So that accounts for that bump in the sales price to list price ratio. The amount of inventory reduced. 29% of the current homes for sale in Pleasanton have had price reductions. 39%, and this is a really interesting statistic, 39% of the homes that sold in December sold over the asking price, and 31% sold under 10 days on the market. So again, there's your illustration about the dual market, if you will, where a segment of the market is the homes are priced well, in great condition, and priced to move quickly, and those homes do in fact sell quickly typically and for very good prices. The rest of the market, not so much. Sellers sometimes tend to overprice their homes, and it takes longer to sell, and you have to do a price reduction. So there's your statistical illustration of that fact. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share it with someone you think might get some value out of it. If you have any comments, please do comment. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, if we can help you with your real estate needs, give us a call at 925-621-0680 or visit us at 680homes.com.